my friends, welcome back to Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to seedling a fruit. So guys, if you like to watch like these crazy farm life videos, just subscribe Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel. So guys, this is reminder you can check about in this playlist. We have tried lot of food seeds, also vegetable seeds. So in the end screen guys, you can check about at the playlist we had transplant lot of vegetables, also fruits in our this crazy farm. Okay, so anyway, this is that vegetable, no, it's a fruit seeds packet. Okay, so anyway, this is Sri Lankan 80 rupees, and you can see the pack date, also the expiry date, lot of information in this side. So let's wait for that. What is this fruit? Okay guys, this is very good fruit, also it's really good for your thirsty. So anyway guys, this is watermelon. Okay guys, so today I have a watermelon seed packet. So let's go to seedling this. So anyway guys, this one is, we don't need to seedling, we can directly transplant them in the soil, but just for the time management and the everything, this is really easy for me. So that's why I'm transplant them in the nursery bags, and next going to transplant them directly in the soil. I'm going to seedling this in the trans bag. Okay, so let's go to do that. Okay friends, so welcome back to my nursery area. So anyway, this is my seedling nursery. So guys, we have today our seedling packet. It's already fruit, you already know that. So there are a lot of information in here. So anyway, let's go to open this. Okay guys, I already opened this watermelon seed packet. So let's go to take them out. Okay guys, I think you can see that the seeds. So let's take them out. Yeah guys, so this is the watermelon seed. I hope guys, maybe we can take at least 5 to 10 watermelon plants. So anyway, let's go to see that. So guys, this is the seeds. So just I'm going to take those seeds into our seedling cup. Okay, I think we lost few. Okay guys, I will put them in here. Also we have few in here. That's my bad. Anyhow, we take all in here. So guys, next I'm going to prepare our nursery bag. Okay guys, you already know the nursery bag. This is not important for like these seeds, but this is really easy for me to seedling after transplanting. So I can do that after the seedling, I can transplant them. So anyway, this is our nursery bag. Okay guys, really you don't need like this lot of height bag. It's okay, so just you can find a pot or something. So anyway guys, the most important thing in the mixture. So in here guys, you can see the mixture. We have add the manure, also compost and soil. So a lot of things in here. So you can check about the mixture in the description. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the mixture into my this bag. So anyway, let's go to do that. I'm done with my nursery bag in here. So let's put our watermelon seeds into here. Okay guys, so this is reminder, you can check about, we had tried lot of seedling process with vegetables, also fruit in this playlist. Okay guys, just I'm going to put them in here. Yeah, there is anything in here? No, just keep them inside, and next I will mix it like this. Anyhow guys, this is not most important thing. I already said we can directly put those seeds into the transplanting. We just don't need to seedling and again transplanting. So anyway, just I'm going to pour water in here. I'm going to pour 1 cup of water in here because of you already know guys, our mixture is too much dry. Okay guys, so most important thing is you already know guys, we just need keep this safe place because of snail like insect. These plants are really their favorite food. Okay guys, I will put another cup of water because of the water is most important thing. Just right now like this I will put a water. Okay guys, after that we can transplant it into directly in the soil, or maybe I will try to grow like these fruit on the pot bag. Maybe that will work because of we can manage, we can add everything as perfectly, you already know. So guys, if you like to watch that, subscribe and stay with. This is Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel.